Hello friends, welcome to today's class. So here's our question. We have written it down as this. But we can actually put over 1 here so that we can actually cross multiply. So now 1 times m root m is going to be m root m equal 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. So this is what we have. So now let's square both sides. So squaring both sides, if we decide to square both sides, we are going to have it as this squared is going to be m squared times m equal 8 squared. And this can be written as m cubed equal 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2. So remember our power over power law. We have a to the power of m all to the power of n is the same thing as a to the power of mn, and it's still the same thing as a to the power of n m. So this can be written as this and also as this. So since we have this and can be written as this and this from power over power law from indices, so now we apply that here. So applying that here, m cubed equal, this can be written as 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of 3. So we actually apply this here because this is commutative, either n times m or m times n. So hence we can write this as this. So now we have it as m to the power of 3 equal 4 cubed. So if this is what we have, we can bring down 4 to the power of 3 to the left hand side so that we have m cubed minus 4 cubed equal 0. But remember, when we have difference of 3 square, when we have a cubed minus b cubed, it's the same thing as a minus b into a squared plus b squared plus ab. So if this is what we have, applying that here, we're going to have our m minus 4 into m squared plus 4 squared plus m times 4. So equal 0. So this is going to be the same thing as m minus 4 m squared plus, and this is going to be 16 plus 4m equals 0. So this is what we have. So m minus 4 into m squared plus 4m plus 16 equals 0. So from this we know that our m minus 4 equals 0 and our m is going to be 4. Likewise, we have m squared plus 4m plus 16 equals 0. From this, we know that our a is 1, b is 4, and c is 16. So since we have this, let's use a quadratic formula. M is going to be equal to minus b plus or negative root of e squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. And this, we are going to have our m as minus 4 plus or negative square root of b squared, which is 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16 all divided by 2. So our m is going to be minus 4 plus or negative root of 16 minus 4 times 16 is going to give us 64. So 4 minus 64 all divided by 2a. So we have m as minus 4 plus or negative root of 16 minus 64 over 2. And our m is going to be minus 4 plus or negative root of 16 minus 64. To subtract 64 from 16, that's going to be minus 48, all divided by 2. And this can be written as m is equal minus 4 plus or negative root of minus 1 times root of 48. What is 48? 16 times root of 3. So that if we multiply 16 times 3 times minus 1 is going to be minus 48. So it can be written as this, all divided by 2. So if this is what we have, our m is equal minus 4 plus or negative root of minus 1 is I times root of 16 is 4 times this remains root 3, all divided by 2. So now what is common here is 4. We factor out 4, and we're left with minus 1 plus or negative I root 3, all divided by 2. And 2 can go into 4 2 times, so we have m is equal to 2 into the bracket of minus 1 plus or negative I root 3. So now, remember initially we had our m as 4, and now we have our m as 2 into the bracket of minus 1 plus I root 3, or m is equals to 2 into the bracket of minus 1 minus I root 3. So we have 3 solutions, 1 real solution and 2 complex solution. So for this particular question, m root m over 4 equal to m is equal 4, m is equal 2 into minus 1 plus I root 3, and m is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus I root 3. Thank you for watching. Ensure you like and subscribe.